Hey there, future doctors! Today I'm diving into a crucial aspect of urinalysis, detecting bile salts and blood in urine. Let's break it down and make it simple, shall we? First up, bile salts. We use Hayes test, which is pretty straightforward. Here's the principle. Bile salts lower surface tension. Because of that, finely powdered sulfur will sink to the bottom of the test tube if bile salts are present. So, let's get started. Take 5 milliliters of urine in a test tube and sprinkle a bit of finely powdered sulfur granules on its surface. Watch closely. If the sulfur sinks, we've got bile salts in the urine. But be cautious. Sometimes heavy impurities in the sulfur powder can cause a false positive. Now let's talk about detecting blood in urine, which can be due to hematuria, hemoglobinuria, or myoglobinuria. Each condition has its own set of causes and characteristics. For instance, hematuria involves intact red blood cells and can be caused by kidney lesions, urinary tract infections, or cancer in the urinary tract. On the other hand, hemoglobinuria features free hemoglobin, often due to intravascular hemolysis, severe burns, or allergic reactions. Myoglobinuria involves myoglobin, typically from muscle injuries or diseases. To detect blood in urine, we have several chemical tests. Let's start with the guaiacum reaction. Boil 5 milliliters of urine, cool it down, and add 2 drops of tincture guaiacum. Shake it up and make a layer with ozonic ether. If you see a blue ring, that indicates blood, though it's low in sensitivity. Next, the reduced phenolphthalein test. Take 3 milliliters of reduced phenolphthalein, add 10 drops of H2O2, and 3 milliliters of urine. Shake well. A pink color signals the presence of blood. For the pyrimidone ring test, take 2 to 3 milliliters of urine and add a few drops of acetic acid. Then slowly add an equal volume of 5% pyrimidone and 6 drops of H2O2. A mauve ring indicates blood. The benzidine test is another option. Take 2 milliliters of urine, add a few drops of acetic acid and a knife point of benzidine powder. Mix to make a saturated solution and add a few drops of H2O2. A blue color confirms blood presence. Lastly, there's the commercial dipstick test. These dipsticks detect free hemoglobin or intact RBCs by changing color, usually to green-blue. They're highly sensitive and user-friendly. So that's a wrap on detecting bile salts and blood in urine. Remember, practice makes perfect, and these tests are essential tools in your medical toolkit. Stay curious and keep learning.